afternoon, Anthony. My name is Cherie at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in our 2008 Saturn. Come on close and take a look at this chrome plated grille, great tires, alloy wheels, sunroof. Come on inside and you'll notice it has leather interior, heated seats. Everything's on the steering wheel, which will make your driving safer and better. I know you saw that great price, so Anthony, the best thing you can do is come by and see me today at 1591 Montgomery Highway, Hoover, Alabama, right across from Subway. The phone number here is 205-380-6250. Again, Anthony, that number is 205-380-6250. My personal cell is 857-939-3652. And Anthony, here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you treat it. See you soon.